Hi guys, I just wanted to show you something else on Collaborate that I learned this week. You may have heard when we were in session this week that you really do need to use Chrome for Collaborate, otherwise the sound does not work very well. The other thing that I've discovered is that if you're having trouble with your microphone and being able to talk and you want to call in, I know we had a few people who had issues with calling in. Once you enter the room, so every room has this anonymous dial-in, but if that doesn't work, once you join the course room, taking a second, maybe we'll be able to join the course room. In the meantime, I am downstairs in my husband's office, hence this guy. That's a moose. My husband is Native American, and so he is permitted to hunt moose on the tribal lands, and so that's why we have this lovely piece of decoration. So if anybody has a name for him, let me know. He can be our mascot. This is not working so well, so I'm going to try again. Let's try this room, see if it works any better, or if we're just having Collaborate issues today. This one worked. Okay, so these three dots, these three lines over here give you the session menu. When you click use your phone for audio, it gives you a personal number and PIN every single time you log in. And that should work better for calling in than the anonymous number. Now, if you can't get on internet access at all to get in the room, the anonymous number should usually work, but I know some people were having trouble with it on Wednesday. So this is one way to do it, to get around that again. So my latest Collaborate tips: use Chrome. If your microphone is not working, dial in with the personal number once you are in the room, if you can get into the room. Those are my top 2 Chrome Collaborate tips for today.